Hi everyone! Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today is going to be our Gotta Have It's and Don't Buy It's for the month of February. If you're new here, please consider subscribing by hitting that button down below and the little bell that is right next to it so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Now, without further ado, let's get into the products. This first section we call Gotta Have It's. These are the products that we were absolutely loving during the month. First Gotta Have It that I actually got about 2 weeks ago, and then yesterday I got a second one just because I love it so much. It's one of the new Maybelline lipsticks. I don't know what line it is. Color Sensational. I have the shade 376 Pink For Me. This shade is so pretty. It really is like my natural lip color, but so much better. It's a mauve shade, but it's not too purple. It kind of airs on the warmer side. It's got a little bit more yellow in it. I don't know what it is. It's just my lip color, but so much better. It's so pretty. The other great thing about this lipstick is that it doesn't dry out my lips. Some lipsticks, even the stick lipsticks, can do that. This one doesn't. So I have one in my car and now one upstairs with the rest of my makeup so that I always have this color. Oh, I just love it.
So my first Gotta Have It is the Starlit Studios Stars Align Eyeliner, and it's their purple one. Now this is a really bad eyeliner, but a great eyeshadow. When I tried using more items from the line, I couldn't get an eye look together, but I decided, hey, why don't I try this as an eyeshadow instead of an eyeliner. So yeah, it worked that way. So yeah, it's a pretty good eyeshadow. Lasted for a decent amount of time.
That new line, Starlit Studio, is available at Target, and I believe that is the only place, at least around here, that has that line. It has a multitude of different products, but I think every single product has glitter in it. I also tried their, I think it was their silver eyeliner, same type of thing, silver glitter eyeliner. I love it. I absolutely love that as an eyeliner. So if you have that line at your local Target, check it out if you're a glitter fan like we are. Okay, my next Gotta Have It for the month of February is something that I've used every single day that I've worn makeup this month. This is the new L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer, and I am in the shade number 340 Fawn. What surprised me about this concealer is that it is absolutely comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape. The pigmentation in this is unreal. I only use a dot, just like the Tarte Shape Tape, a dot under each eye, and then I blend it out with my Beauty Blender. Completely covers up my dark circles. It doesn't crease very easily. I do set it with a powder. Once I'm on like hour 13, 14 of my makeup wear, you can see really tiny fine lines, but really it takes a full day of wear before it starts to crease. It's got a very large doe foot applicator, just like the Tarte Shape Tape. The tube has 0.33 fluid ounces, so I think this is gonna last me a long time. Another thing that surprised me about this line is that they've got a huge multitude of shades, and I am not in their palest shade either, which is completely surprising. I am very pale skinned, but I think I'm in like the 4th or 5th shade in with this line. It's completely, there's like no words. I keep saying the same thing, but it's just a really great concealer, so I'm gonna have to buy myself a backup just in case. This is like a limited edition item.
My next Gotta Have It is the Neutrogena Clear Face Breakout Free Liquid-Lotion Sunscreen. Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Now, I brought this on our vacation with us and used it whenever I went to the pool, and it's a great sunscreen. I mean, it didn't break out my skin, and I didn't get burned, so yeah, it's a great sunscreen.
If you're going on vacation during these winter months, consider using that, especially if you're going to a sunny climate. My next Gotta Have It for the month of February is a new product. It's by Maybelline. It's their Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation, and I'm in the shade number 130 Buff Beige. I did a video where I put this up head to head against the new Tarte Shape Tape Powder Foundation. If you'd like to see that video, I will link that up here in the cards for you and in the description bar below. I love this powder foundation. I have had other powder foundations which give me very sheer to no coverage whatsoever. They don't stay. They don't provide like even coverage over my face, so they're very splotchy in areas. This is everything those powder foundations is not. The coverage in here is unreal. It does not splotch at all. It lasts all day long, like literally all day long. The other thing I found is a lot of other powder foundations, once I apply them to my skin, as my oils, my natural face oils kind of seep through during the day, it breaks down the powder foundation, and then it almost looks like a cake face. Like you can tell that I've got powder on top of oil. This doesn't. As my face oils seep through, it kind of like gels together with them, so it almost looks like my natural skin texture, if you will. There's no cakiness. There's no like breakdown of this powder foundation. It's absolutely phenomenal. So this is my new go-to for any quick makeup day, and I actually have it on today.
My last gotta have it is the James Charles palette from Morphe. I did a video on it, and we will link it down below and in the cards for you. But this is a great palette. I love the color selection. I love the packaging. Love the shade names. I love everything about this palette. The pigmentation is great. The formula is great. Lasts a long time with a really good eye primer. So yeah, I have no complaints about this eyeshadow palette. I love it.
My last gotta have it for the month of February is actually a rediscovered favorite. It's the L'Oreal Air Dry It Wave Swept Spray. I mentioned this in other gotta have it videos last year, I think. I use this religiously every other day. So every other day I wash my hair and then I dry it. The days that I don't wash my hair, I will wet it and then I'll put this stuff in it and then let my hair air dry, because I do have natural curls and I really like that, if I do say so myself. Anyways, so I used up the last of the bottle that I had working last summer, I think it was, and then I looked everywhere for this stuff. Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens. I even went online to see if I could get it like through Amazon. I could get it online, but it was just too much, like it was too expensive. So I decided, okay, maybe I should just try to find something different or something new. I've tried several other sprays for my hair and nothing seems to do what this does. So then we went to Target, a couple months ago. I think it was maybe beginning of January, and I finally found it. It's the only place locally that has it. So I picked myself up a new bottle. I absolutely love it. I have very thin hair. So if I don't blow dry it and put like a volumizing spray in it, if I just leave it to air dry, it goes completely limp and you cannot see my natural curls. What this does is it gives me the volume that I need, but also allows my natural waves and my natural curls to come through. And it also gives it a really nice shine that lasts all day long. So absolutely love this spray. I'm gonna have to like make my local Target go out of stock on it, just because I don't ever want to run into that situation like I did last summer.
So the other part of our video is the don't buy it, and those are the makeup items that we don't like so much.
Just a little note, if any of these products that work for us don't work for you, please don't take offense. It's just our opinion and it's things that work for us. On the flip side, if this product is something that really works for you and we don't like it, again, don't take offense to it. You do you. Run with it. So that being said, that product is also by that new brand that we're talking about at Target. It's by Starlit Studio. This is their Whirl Balm. There is only one Whirl Balm, so it's not like there's different shades, but it's a pink color, a very pale pink, and it does have microfine glitter in it. I think Emma and I both do not like this for the exact same reason. It has this funky smell and taste to it. It definitely moisturizes your lips, I have to give it that much, but the smell is just something that I cannot stand. It smells very chemical-like, and it also tastes the exact same way. Like, sure, I don't taste my lip product when I put it on, but there's no avoiding it. Like, as soon as it goes on your lips, you can absolutely taste it in your mouth, and it just tastes awful like chemicals. So definitely a pass for me. And also a pass for Emma.
So that is it for this video. We both hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment down below if you have any of these products, what you think of them. Yeah, let us know. Be sure to click the like button if you liked it, and click the subscribe button and the little bell next to it to be notified of all of our new videos. And remember, we post 2 beauty videos a week, one on Mondays, which is a MomNMe day, and on Thursdays, which is a teen take or mom moment. Be sure to share this video and channel with your friends if you think they would find it useful. Be sure to follow us on social media, first on Instagram, which is MomNMeBeauty, and with me under Emma_N_2004, and on Pinterest with me under the same username. And finally, on our Snapchat accounts, my Snap is Emma_N2004, and we have a MomNMeBeauty Snap as well. Again, thank you for watching this video, and we will see you next time in our next MomNMe video.
Bye everyone.